Good morning. Good morning. Now, isn't this 55-inch Rampage really beautiful in yellow gel coat? I mean, look at this thing. Look at the shine. Look at the luster. Look how it looks when you pop the hood and the components are in there. But I think there's a way to cheer this thing up even more for the customer. Let's add these really cool looking graphics. I'm gonna make a time-lapse video of all this happening. Shall we? Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio-controlled model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio-controlled boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Well, now it's done. It's all complete. Isn't she lovely? Just like the Stevie Wonder song. These graphics really transform the thing. It's not an easy task to put them on. I make it look easy. You guys saw me have a couple of trouble points, but they weren't really trouble. They were just because of perfection. It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? After a few finishing touches, she is really nice. The Rampage is a very complete, very comprehensive boat. I mean, beauty's not only skin deep. You get in here and voila. Beautiful componentry. This customer should be very happy. And if you in particular like what you see here, want to see the world's fastest, most amazing RC boats that are innovated the most, subscribe to our channel. Smash that like button and by all means, continue enjoying radio control model boating. Your support is what fuels this. Bill Oxidean, over and out.